Introducing Total Repair by FiberFix, the universal repair tool. Here's the problem. Superglues bond objects together, but cannot perform other adhesive functions like sealing or reinforcement. Light-cured adhesives can seal, fill, and reinforce, but they cannot bond together opaque objects. Total Repair does it all. Got a broken object? Bond it with Total Repair. Do you have a hole or crack? Seal it with Total Repair. What about chips or gaps? Fill it with Total Repair. See, Total Repair is unlike any glue out there. It comes with a unique adhesive formula, an innovative blue light technology that empowers you to make endless repairs with the same product. To apply, twist and cap the nozzle line to pierce the foil, then squeeze the body to dispense resin. Shine the included blue light for an instant cure. If you're trying to glue two objects where light can't get in, don't worry. Simply apply Total Repair to one side and press the objects together. Within a minute, the glue will harden. Total Repair. It gets all of the jobs done.
When you're trying to get things done, nothing is more frustrating than working where it's hard to reach or where you can't see. Till now, meet the cordless flip out, an incredible power driver. It's compact to get into tight spaces other drivers can't, yet drives with the same power and torque as much larger tools. But here's the real magic. With flip out, you'll always come at your work from just the right angle. Flip out delivers torque and power using a design based on industrial robots. There are 3 pivoting joints. The top one pivots to reach into tight spots. The middle joint lets you reach around or over. And the third joint gives you all this flexibility with 360 degrees of rotation. The result? Flip out locks into over 380 positions, giving you power in tight spots, power in hard to reach spots, power where you need it. Flip out gets the job done. Use a drill driver at the wrong angle and you'll quickly strip screws. But flip out adjusts to drive screws straight on. And with the drill driver, you just don't have control for RTA furniture. But flip out's variable speed switch gives you the touch you need to assemble furniture quickly. Flip out runs on a built-in 8-volt max lithium-ion battery. And you can fully recharge it in just 45 minutes. And even if it sits for a full year, flip out still holds its charge. And maybe the best thing about the flip out is it only weighs 1 pound. So whether you're working in hard to reach places on electrical or plumbing, or just need a powerful driver around the house, flip out is a tool for you.
Hi, Phil Swift here for Flex Glue, the super strong rubberized glue. Flex Glue's a powerful adhesive with amazing instant grab. It locks into place and it holds on tight. Flex Glue acts like a magnet. Even this heavy brick is gonna stick. And our Pro formula has even more instant grab, so you can tackle the biggest jobs. Now there's Flex Glue for everything you do. With Flex Glue, you don't need screws or nails, making it perfect for all types of repairs. Not only does Flex Glue have amazing instant grab, but it actually gets stronger over time. And once it reaches maximum strength, Flex Glue can easily lift over 1,000 pounds. Indoor and outdoor projects, virtually any material in all conditions. Wood, glass, tile, and metal, Flex Glue is so strong, it even works underwater. So you can apply Flex Glue underwater, and it even dries underwater. This rubberized adhesive is UV resistant and totally waterproof. To show you the power of Flex Glue, we took all these parts and Flex glued them together and built the Flex Glue Monster 4x4. Slamming into giant logs and rocks, Flex Glue's powerful bond withstands the shocks and holds this beast together. Now any project, big or small, with Flex Glue, you can do them all.
This is the Extend and Climb telescoping ladder. It is convenient to store and transport. It is also lightweight and easy to use. True telescoping technology is the patented technology behind Extend and Climb's series of telescoping ladders. Ladders with true telescoping technology provide maximum versatility and have been tested and surpassed ANSI and OSHA standards. True telescoping technology is safe and easy to use with its patented lock and release system. The design of the ladder allows it to firmly stay in place on all 4 points of contact. The feet of the ladder feature a double over mold design that provides strength, durability, and secure traction. Storing ladders with true telescoping technology is easy. They collapse down to the size of a lawn chair. Extend and climb ladders can be transported in any sized vehicle. With true telescoping technology, you can easily carry a ladder with just one hand. Extend and Climb offers both a home and pro series of ladders for every application. Because of true telescoping technology, they are perfect for projects around the home. Builders, painters, and contractors of all types use them for their jobs every day. They are used in large factories, hotel chains, and warehouses. For more information about where to buy an Extend and Climb ladder, go to extendandclimb.com.
It's important to become familiar with how to operate your Flexio 590. It features a two-stage trigger. You first pull the trigger on the gun partially to start the turbine, then pull back completely to start spraying for a controlled, even pattern. Before starting your project, it's important to practice and get familiar with the sprayer. A spray poster is provided and is an excellent reference guide. You can also practice on a piece of cardboard. Dial in the power and flow controls and spray both a vertical and horizontal pattern. Once you're comfortable with the settings and spraying, you're ready to start your project. Remember to properly mask and cover anything that will not be painted. Take a look at the masking guide for suggestions and instructions. Pre-taped poly is another fast way to protect trim and windows. Simply tape in place, unfold, and secure where needed. Point the sprayer 6 to 8 inches away from the surface as you begin to spray evenly in a direction parallel to the surface. Remember to keep your arm straight as you spray. Avoid bending your wrists or slowing your pace because it tends to leave too much paint in one spot. To ensure full coverage, overlap each spray pass by 50%. When spraying an interior wall, start by spraying one wall at a time along the ceiling, floor, and corners. Then fill in using an up and down pattern. For other surfaces, such as wood, follow the grain to achieve the best coverage and finish. During the spraying process, remember to periodically wipe off the nozzle with a damp cloth to remove any dried paint. If your surface is smaller, such as a corner or spindle, a lower volume and narrower pattern on the sprayer works best. And use the detail finish nozzle for your fine finish projects. And thanks to the patented lock and go design, you can change colors or materials in a flash with a twist and release of the cup.
There's a powerful new tool that combines 48 tools into one. Introducing the Tiger Wrench. By simply clicking between the different sizes, you instantly have the tool you need for the job. Think about all the time you've wasted in the past fishing around for the right size tool. With just a few clicks of the Tiger Wrench, you'll have the right tool for the job every time. The Tiger Wrench is fast. Look how quickly the Tiger Wrench can go from one size to the next. As fast as you can click the tool, you've got a new size. And because of the unique revolutionary tooth design, you can do both standard and metric sizes. Simply flip the tool around and you have more sizes. Ordinary wrenches slip on rounded corners. Not the Tiger Wrench. Its specially designed teeth won't slip like ordinary wrenches. Ordinary wrenches can't do 45-degree angles. With the Tiger Wrench, you can easily do 45-degree angles, no problem. With this one tool, you can tackle all your projects around the house or on the job. The Tiger Wrench is well built and extremely durable. It's a heavy-duty professional tool that's designed to handle up to 300 pounds of torque.